In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and start using the Smartsheet mobile app on your phone. If you want to access your work while you're away from your computer, the Smartsheet mobile app makes that much easier. It allows you to stay connected to your projects, review updates, and open important items directly from your mobile device. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the full setup process from downloading the app to signing in and finding your content. To begin, unlock your phone and open your device's app marketplace. If you're using an iPhone or iPad, open the App Store. If you're on an Android device, open the Google Play Store. Once you're there, tap the search bar and type in Smartsheet. Make sure you spell it correctly so the right app appears in the results. When the search results load, look for the official Smartsheet mobile app. It should clearly show the Smartsheet name and branding. Take a quick moment to confirm that you're selecting the official version before downloading. This is a good habit whenever you install any work-related app, especially if there are similar names in the store. Next, tap Install or Get, depending on your device. That your phone may ask you to confirm the download using your password, fingerprint, face recognition, or device passcode. Once confirmed, the app will begin downloading and installing automatically. This usually only takes a moment depending on your internet speed. After the installation is complete, tap Open to launch the app right away. You can also find it later on your home screen or in your app library if you prefer to open it from there. When the app starts, you'll be taken to the sign-in screen. Now log in using your Smartsheet account. Enter your work email and password, or follow your organization's sign-in process if your company uses single sign-on. If you're not sure which login method to use, it's best to use the same one you normally use on the desktop version of Smartsheet. Once you're signed in, you'll be able to access your sheets, reports, dashboards, and workspaces directly from your phone. This gives you a convenient way to check progress, review information, and stay organized wherever you are. And that's it. You've successfully installed the Smartsheet mobile app and signed in, so you can start using your Smartsheet content on the go.